Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup from fresh tomatoes. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes for the best flavor. You'll also need 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by washing and coring your tomatoes, then chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, dice your onion and mince the garlic. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Now heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant and softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Stir in the chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of vegetable broth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 20 minutes or until the tomatoes are very tender. Once your tomato mixture has cooled slightly, carefully transfer it to a blender. Be sure not to overfill the blender, working in batches if necessary. Blend until the soup is completely smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. For an extra silky texture, press the blended soup through a fine mesh sieve, discarding any solids left behind. Finally, gently reheat your smooth tomato soup over low heat, adjusting the seasonings as needed. Taste and add more salt, pepper, or a touch of sugar if the tomatoes are too acidic. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil, a swirl of cream, or some crunchy croutons. This homemade soup is truly comforting. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.